Hello and welcome back everyone to another Marble Rivals tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends within your game on Marble Rivals. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Rivals game on your device, and after opening it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now you can access the Friends menu from the home page directly. Just click on the Friends icon at the top right corner alongside the message icon. This will then open up the Friends tab. When this tab is opened up, you will be shown all of your friends that you have already added. In order to add any new friends, just tap on the search box and then type in the username of this person. Once you start your search, you can simply locate their profile and you will find the Add Friend button at the very right side. Just click on this button and this will now send a request to this user. When this person accepts your request, you will become friends with them. And after this, you will be able to invite them to your gameplay. Alternatively, if you tap on the Friends Request option, you will see all of the requests that you have received from others. You can accept these requests once again to start playing together. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on the Marble Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel as well to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.